Now that we've added availability to your calendar, we're going to want to make sure that everything's working like it should. So let's say you're going on vacation. How are we going to make this work? Well, we're going to do that in our Google Calendar. So if we go over to our Google Calendar, we're going to do the month view here. So in March, you can see I have a doctor's appointment at 5:30, but let's say that I wanted to go on vacation for the week. So we're going to click here, and we're going to add an event, and we're going to go on vacation, and we are going to have this from all day from March 20th until March 24th. Now, one big thing that we want to look at is down here. See how it says free? Now, what we want to do is we want to change this to busy. So marking it as busy will make it so that it doesn't show up in our calendar. So we're going to click save here. Now we're going to go back to our calendar. We're going to view it as a client, and we're going to see that in March, for that week, no availability. So you can always check it right away by blocking it out in your calendar and then seeing if it is taking place here. Easy peasy.